this video you will learn how to lock browser tabs on iPhone or iPad. So if you ever needed to lock private browsing tabs in Safari on iPhone or iPad, this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to lock browser tabs in Safari on iPhone or iPad. In order to lock private browsing tabs in Safari on iPhone or iPad with a Face ID, what you have to do is you have to just go to Settings, and once you are in Settings, you have to scroll all the way down. There you will find Apps. So tap on Apps, and now you have to scroll until S section, and there you will find Safari. So tap on Safari, and now you are in the Safari settings of your iPhone. And now that you are in the Safari settings of your iPhone, here you have to scroll a bit, and under Privacy and Security, you will notice there is the option to require Face ID to unlock private browsing. So you have to just toggle it on, and after that the private browsing will be locked with a Face ID, and you will need to authenticate with a Face ID to unlock private browsing tabs. Simply minimize this and let's try to open Safari. You will notice that private browsing is locked now, and in order to unlock this we will have to simply tap on the unlock button and authenticate with Face ID. So this way you will lock private browsing tabs in Safari on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn off restrictions in Safari on iPhone, make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.